Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the pTron HBE5 Raptor wired in-ear earphones. Let's see what information we have on this particular box. There's a big sticker here which is covering a lot of information, but we can still make out a lot of other stuff. Like this particular device has a driver size of 10 millimeters, has an impedance of 16 ohms, speaker sensitivity of 105 decibels plus minus 3 decibels, frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, which is quite standard these days. Also, one final thing, it's kind of obscure. I mean, it's covered by the sticker, but I can make it out. The cable length 1.2 meters TPE flat wire cable length, which means that this will be a tangle-free cable, should be at least. Let's find out what's inside. There's a tray here. Let's pull it out like this. There's no manual or anything else here, just this particular earphone rather. My apologies. So what do we have? Yes. This is a flat TP cable, which means this is basically tangle free. You can check this is absolutely flat, and it's tied like this, but it also comes with a clip that you can use to tie the cable together, which is not a bad touch actually, pretty nifty touch. The 3.5 millimeter jack on the other end, right here. Let me see over here. Let's check out the headphones. Yeah, 1 second. It has a nice matte finish on it, and this, by the way, these are not angular nozzles, these are straight like 90-degree nozzles, and has a nice matte black finish to it. It's not exactly the classiest of textures, but it looks pretty good. And finally, we have a inline remote or inline multifunction button. I'm assuming this is what you use to receive calls. Okay. You can see this, yeah, right here. And I'm assuming this is what you click to receive calls or to change tracks, depending on the situation. And that's all you'll find inside the box containing the pTron HBE5 Raptor in-ear wired earphones. Thank you for watching.